paggabi, nakakatakot po dito kasi siyempre may mga nag-standby na mga, alam niyo na, may mga nag-standby na hindi dapat. Ito pong sinasabi ko sa asawa ko pag pumupunta kami dito. Bakit yung ano na, nakakatakot na yan.
Laing at saka adobo.
Wait lang na, kapag
Chicken adobo.
kung saan pupunta
That's
sa
our dinner. While I'm watching a Kanta Kalipos vlog at the same time. Boiled plantain. Okay. Tingnan pala to. You're taking a nap. You're napping. Yes, you're napping. You don't wanna go visit your cousin Stevie? Huh? There's Stevie. There's Stevie. He's Stevie. Yes. Our visitor. Hi, Stevie. You're looking for Tubi? You're looking. Huh? He's a sweet girl. Sweet girl. Stevie. Pagkain ni Baby Tubi. Shopping kanina si Mami. Yes, my prince. What are you doing? Ay, sus. Kissing. Oy, kissing. Ay, you're been up from your nap? Kissing yung baby ko, uy. You wanna go party outside? Okay, let's go. Doing his cha-cha. It's my baby. Nag-cha-cha-cha tapos mag-nap. Kanya yan routine. Come here, baby. My shoes. Come on, let's go. Go get the squirrel. Go get the squirrel, baby. Go get the squirrel. Go get him, baby. It's raining. Oh my goodness, Toby. It's raining, rain. Uy. It's raining. Hurry up. Go paddy na. I just may nakita ng squirrel. It's not there anymore. Not there. Yeah, the squirrel digging mommy's plant. Yes. Go paddy na. Come on, let's go. Go inside. It's raining. Let's go. It's raining. Rain. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go in the house. Come on. Uy. Come on, let's go. It's kind of cold. Come here. Dali. Lamig. Come on, let's go. Come on. Hurry up. What you looking at there? Uy. Come on. Go inside the house. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Okay. Wipe your feet. Stay Wipe your feet. Good boy. Mommy's gonna wipe baby Tubi's feet. Wipe na, wipe na. Punas na ang paa. There you go. Clean na. Good boy man ikaw. You want your cookie? Come on, let's go get your cookie. You want your cookie? Yes. You want your cookie? Huh? You want your cookie? Baby, you want your cookie? You want your cookie? Yes, you get your cookie. Come on, let's get your cookie. Let's go get your cookie. Come on, let's go get your cookie. Cookie na ang baby ko. Cookie na. Okay, go get your cookie. Give mommy kiss. Give mommy kiss. Huh? Kiss. One more. Kiss. Here's your cookie. Good girl. Oi, here's one more. You left it here. Come on. Naku. Here. Come on, baby. Good girl. He's so cute. You baby, you're done? Tubi. Hi. Yum. Yummy. Ay, shush. Yum. Kakain ng alaga ng dinner. Filet mignon. They're waiting for their dinner na. Uy, tingnan mo. Ala. Ay, dila ni Tubi, oh. Yum, Tubi. Ha? Yes. You want your dinner? You want your dinner now? Ready na ng pagkain ng aming mga baby, Husay na ako patod. Pretty. Ayan na, Pakainin na naman ng mga baby namin. Look at Tubi. It's waiting for Mommy Malina. And Stevie, look. Oh, they're so cute together. You're so cute together.
Yummy.
Yeah. Sabay sila. Ayun, baby Tubi.
Patient. Too slow, huh?
Look at Tubi.
I'm not paying attention, Mommy.
Tubi.
That's one of the medicine.
Stevie's medicine. Ay, Stevie. Yum na. Tingnan mo naman ng dalawa. Uy, waiting ng pagkain. Oh, very good, Stevie. Tubi.
Is that good?
Oo. Pwede na.
Guys.
Huwag ka magkamali ha kung saan yung kay Stevie. Okay. Akin na yung kay Doon sa... dito tayo. Dito.
Come on, guys.
Dito. Kakain sila. Yan Ay, sus! There you go. Dinner time. Say thank you, Mommy Malin. Sige na kung sinong mauna matapos. Sa kanila kumain. Ay, my goodness.
It's gonna go under the table.
Tubi.
Tubi, my goodness. Come on, baby. Here.
Over here. Dito sa may ano, may mat para hindi ano.
Steve is a well eater.
Lamot?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Pero kinain niya yung gamot niya eh. That's good.
Yes. Here, Tati. Salaw mo ah.
Okay. I think baliktad.
Hindi yan.
Dito mo ginhatag ka, ano, ginispit ni ano.
Oh.
Ginispit
Oh,
ni...
Tipi.
Ni...
Tipi.
Ginispit ni ano, nagbaliktad.
Tipi here.
Good girl.
Tipi here. Tipi.
Bigyan mo pa ng pagkain. Para kainin niya.
Here, Tipi. Treat. 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 Tipi. Treat.
Yeah.
Come here.
Ay, wow. Ala. Eat na.
Like that.
Very good. Very good to be. Ah. Now it's mommy and mommy Malin's gonna eat dinner.
Tulog din kayo kami?
Kain. Ang kanin natin kasi nilagyan ko ng pandan. Sarap, sarap, sarap. Yes, yes.